While many believe male and female dogs are similar, significant differences exist. Male dogs exhibit a strong preference for female dogs, a fact observed in studies dating back to 1986. One such study, involving 20 dogs, revealed that male dogs were far more hesitant to approach and interact with unfamiliar men than female dogs were with strangers of either sex. This reluctance is likely due to the perceived intimidation factor. Men's larger size, deeper voices, and facial hair may appear threatening to dogs. Conversely, anecdotal evidence and research suggests that dogs of opposite sexes often get along better, potentially due to reduced dominance issues and inherent survival instincts related to family formation. Considering this dynamic is advisable when introducing a second dog to an existing household to foster a harmonious environment. Male dogs possess a stronger independent nature and a heightened sexual drive, leading to increased roaming behaviors, particularly during a female's heat cycle. This propensity for wandering increases the risk of conflicts with other males vying for territory and mates. Male dogs also tend to display more dominance, often exhibiting an innate desire to assert control over other canines. While both sexes mark territory with urine, this behavior is significantly more prevalent in males, serving as both a territorial marker and a mating attractant. Intact males urinate more frequently than neutered males. A correlation exists between high social status within a canine group and increased territorial marking, as demonstrated in studies published in the Journal of Animal Behavior. Studies indicate male dogs have shorter lifespans than females. However, spaying or neutering significantly impacts lifespan for both sexes. Spayed females live approximately 26% longer than intact females, and neutered males also enjoy increased longevity. This is primarily attributed to the prevention of reproductive cancers like uterine and testicular cancer. Moreover, unneutered pets are more prone to dangerous wandering in search of mates, increasing the risk of road accidents, disease transmission, and aggressive encounters with other animals. Research consistently demonstrates higher rates of biting among male dogs. One study reported a sixfold increase in biting incidents among male dogs compared to females, with intact males exhibiting the most aggressive behavior. Another study across 20 breeds found male dogs displayed greater aggression towards both dogs and unfamiliar humans. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that aggression is multifaceted, with upbringing and other factors heavily influencing a dog's temperament. Biting frequently stems from fear or mistreatment. Female dogs undergo significant behavioral shifts during their heat cycles, which occur twice annually. These cycles are characterized by stress, anxiety, and bloody discharge, attracting male dogs. The hormonal changes can also lead to a female's increased likelihood of running away to seek mating opportunities, exhibiting flirtatious behaviors such as presenting their rear and lifting their tail. Spaying eliminates this cycle and its associated anxieties. Contrary to popular perception, male dogs rarely exhibit paternal instincts, often demonstrating disinterest in their puppies. This contrasts sharply with wolves, where males play crucial roles in raising pups, actively providing food and protection to their mates and offspring. Most dogs exhibit paw preference, with a majority showing right pawedness, a tendency even more pronounced in females. Mounting behavior, common in both sexes but more frequent in unneutered males, serves multiple purposes beyond sexual reproduction. It can indicate excitement, a way to release energy, display dominance, or even signal a need for attention or stress relief. Generally, male dogs are larger than females, a difference attributed to testosterone. This size disparity is evidenced by the world's tallest dog, Zeus, a male Great Dane. Interestingly, while the Guinness World Record for the heaviest dog also went to a male, the higher number of male dogs in shelters isn't necessarily due to a preference for female dogs by adopters, but rather to males' higher tendency to run away, particularly during a female's heat cycle. Conversely, the oldest dog on record was a female, Bluey, an Australian cattle dog who lived for 29 years and 5 months. A single litter can have multiple fathers due to a phenomenon called superfecundation, where a female's eggs are fertilized by multiple males during her fertile period. This occurs in other animals, such as cats and horses, and very rarely in humans. The strong olfactory sense of male dogs, driven by their biological imperative to procreate, allows them to gather crucial information about other dogs, including sex, age, and reproductive status, through scent analysis of urine.